The Financial Conduct Authority is enacting the most significant reforms in a generation for the London Stock Exchange's main market. These changes make the listing rules simpler and more flexible for companies that want to join the exchange, and for those who are already part of our market. They will allow companies to act more quickly to raise the capital that they need to drive growth and innovation, all the while giving investors the information that they need to make the right investment decisions.
We set out a range of proposals of reforms that were drawing on the best we could find in other markets around the world in competitor jurisdictions. And over the last 3 years, I've watched from outside as the stock exchange, as the FCA, the government, the market more generally, have worked through these reforms and I think have set about making London a more attractive, more competitive place for companies to come and list.
The single segment will provide an easier, simpler route for companies seeking a primary listing, collapsing the previous premium and standard segments together. For those international companies seeking a secondary listing, we will have an equally simple route through the secondary category.
So the changes to the main market that have come in now mean that for issuers, the eligibility requirements and the standards that have to be complied with become more flexible, and for investors it means that we've moved to a disclosure-based approach whereby investors are given more of the information they need to make sensible investment decisions about the companies they want to invest in.
The benefits of this disclosure-based approach for companies, it provides an easier route of access to the UK capital markets, whilst also maintaining the high standards for investors that the UK is rightly proud of.
The UK capital markets and the London Stock Exchange are now match fit again. They're now a great place, as they always were to be honest with you, for a company to start, to grow, to scale and to stay.
This has been a tremendous effort for which the whole UK ecosystem has come together, from government to regulators, from companies and their advisors to investors. I look forward to seeing the many ways these rules will make a difference to the companies on our markets today, those joining in the future, and for those who invest in them.